Welcome back, besties, to part 2 of how I made this 360 frontal from 2 frontals. If you haven't reviewed that video yet, go ahead and click the link above, Hansi, okay, so you don't miss it. And let's get it popping with this part 2, okay? What is up, besties? It's LaShai Triele again, Hunty, and make sure you follow me on both Facebook and Instagram, Hunty, okay? Alright, I would love to follow you back every Sunday. If you follow me on Sunday, I follow you back, okay? Alright? Only on Sundays, though. Okay, babe, so if you have not reviewed the first part to where I put these 2 frontals onto this dome cap in order to make a 360 frontal, if you have not reviewed that yet, if you didn't click it in the beginning of the video, it is still in the description below, and you can review that at any time. But it is a crucial step to watch this before if you're going to attempt to do this. Okay, all right, hunties. So this is how it looks. It does fit snug to this 23-inch canvas head. And I'm going to go ahead and start writing my guidelines on here. And as you guys know, I do not write my guidelines for me. I write them, guys. I write them for you guys, okay? Just because I'm like, y'all know me, like, I know how to make a straight line, okay? All right, thank you. But if you have not watched my measurements video, you see the ruler on the inside of that is attached to the canvas head. If you have not seen that video, go ahead and click the link above, and you can surely watch that at any point during or after this video, just so you can, you know, catch on to that. So my top lines, I'm going to go ahead and write them horizontally, and as you see, I'm spacing these a ½ an inch apart, just because I'm putting singular tracks down onto here. I did not want to add double tracks into here because I didn't want it to be so bulky. Like, this hair is curly, but I'm not keeping it curly. She wanted curly hair that is versatile, so that when she wets it, then it could be curly again, but she wanted me to curl it. Okay, I needed to style her hair. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish off these guidelines. Put that down there. Yeah. But you guys, if you're attempting this and you want to use this for like curly hair, I would recommend you doing double tracks because it won't be so bulky. It won't look bulky unless you're doing like a really tight updo. Then do singular tracks. Okay. So I don't do full wig customization on my videos anymore. If you want, you can check a lot of my old videos, or if you just simply want, you know, more access to that, then you're more than welcome to join my live group, Hunty. Yes, that is in the description below as well. So as I said before, this hair is curly. It was a loose deep wave, my absolute favorite, because it's not as tight as the regular deep wave, but it's a very pretty curl. And yes, Hunty, so I'm going to go ahead and blow dry this out because I do need it straightened in order for me to do the curls. And guys, I had 20-inch bundles, so I did fit 2 bundles in the middle of here, even though they were singular tracks. Okay, as you can see, you can make a very flat updo. You know, front, back, sides, yes, edge action. Okay, all right. Yes, Hunty. So you put that up in the bun, any type of updo that you need it to be. But Hunty, y'all know I gotta curl this hair up, so I did some nice little glam curls, pinned them up so that they can stay once I brush them down. And I want to go ahead and brush these out and show you guys the finished product, Hunty. So I'm just combing this through with my feather comb. Yes, y'all see them. Y'all see them layers falling, okay? I'm actually going to cut some more layers into here in a little bit as well. Now this first curl up, she came out really, really beautiful. However, I did have to tint her lace for her. And I did recurl the curls to make them much, much tighter and give that hair just a real nice cascade down, hunty. Yes, okay. Let me know what you guys thought in the comment below. And thank you so much for watching. As always, I love you guys. See you next time. Bye. What is up, besties? It's LaShai Triele again, hunty, and make sure you follow me on both Facebook and Instagram, hunty, okay? All right, I would love to follow you back every Sunday. If you follow me on Sunday, I follow you back, okay? All right, only on Sundays though. So every Sunday I follow you back. So make sure you follow me on Sunday, honey. You don't be unfollow me and then follow me back. No, don't do that. Don't do that. But anyways, here's some more videos for you to watch. Make sure you subscribe. You want to become one of my besties. You can't be my bestie if you ain't subscribed, okay? So subscribe and be one of my besties, all right? Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.